Hello, today we will guide you through how to add custom instructions to Claude AI project. To begin, open Claude in your web browser. Once the page loads, make sure you are on the main Claude interface so you can access your workspace and project options. This is the starting point for managing project settings, including custom instructions that help shape how Claude responds inside a specific project. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click on Projects. This section is where Claude organizes separate workspaces, making it easier to keep different tasks, topics, or workflows neatly separated. If you use Claude for multiple purposes, projects can help you keep instructions focused and relevant to each one. After opening the Projects area, click on the project you want to update. Choose the specific project where you'd like Claude to follow custom guidance. This is important because the instructions you add here apply to that project, helping responses stay aligned with the tone, format, or goals you have in mind. Once you are inside the project, look beside the project area for the instructions section, then click the plus icon. This opens the space where you can add custom instructions. The plus icon is the control used to create a new instruction set, so if you do not see any instructions yet, this is where you begin. Now type your instruction into the provided field. Be clear and specific about what you want Claude to do within this project. For example, your instruction might describe the writing style you prefer, the level of detail you want, or the type of responses that are most useful for your work. The more clearly your instruction is written, the more consistent the results are likely to be. When you are finished, click Save Instructions. This confirms your changes and stores the instruction inside that project. After saving, Claude will use those instructions as ongoing guidance whenever you work in that project, which can save time and reduce the need to repeat the same preferences again and again. And that's it. You've successfully added custom instructions to your Claude AI project. If needed, you can return to the same project later to review, refine, or replace those instructions so they continue to match your workflow. Keeping instructions updated is a simple way to make your project more efficient and tailored to your needs.